Alright, well here we go. I'm going to kind of put together a little video for you for future reference, something that you can look back on later down the road if need be, for a little refresher for the spring, summer months if you want to extend that operating window. But basically, we can start here at this dual timer. We've got the dial on the left. That is going to essentially just be the power switch for your pool pump. Your pool pump has an onboard computer which we can set the schedule off of, which is what I've done for you guys. So going forward, all the scheduling will be done through the pump itself. The dial on the right is for your cleaner. When I got here, the pins were set from 9 to 5. I bumped those up and back an hour, so to 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Reason being is I want to make sure that we're running that booster pump, that cleaner pump. Make sure I'm definitely running it within the windows of operation of the main pool pump. If not, you run the risk of that booster pump or cleaner pump running dry, because it is actually depending upon the pool pump and that movement of water generated from that pump for its water source. And if we don't have the pool pump running while the booster pump is running, there's no source water essentially for that booster pump. So that's when we run the risk of that pump running dry. So now that we've looked at the dual timers, we'll move over to our main pool pump here. And for future reference, there's always this little guide here. It says setting a schedule, and it kind of takes you item by item down the process. But essentially what I did, we'll turn this off now, and we're going to be on just mode 1. So I'll press 1 and then I'll hit time. So the first section is speed. We've got it programmed at 2650 RPM. That's going to be just fine for your system. So we'll press number 1 again, and that's going to take us to time. And that's going to be dictating the start time for your system and when the pump will begin operating. So right now, go back to time again. It's at 9 a.m. So that's set per your request at 9 a.m. And then if we go to duration, it's set for 8 hours. So that should take us from that 9 to 5 window that you're looking for. So then that'll kind of time out if we're not manipulating any of those settings. So then we'll go just start, stop. You'll have a 5-minute priming section or period. And then once that priming period has ended, it's going to run that 8-hour duration. So today it may run a little bit longer, a little bit later into the evening, because it's now a little after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, it should pick up and run that desired 8-hour window for you. If you have any questions, let us know. But once again, there's this little cheat sheet, if you will, which is super helpful when programming your own schedule.